Thank you, Jesus. Hey, woman of God. Woman of God. I salute you. God bless you, ma. Woman of God, please, I have one question. Please, can you tell me about my future? Are you born again, ma? No. Your future will be terrible. You don't know me, neither do you know my name, and you haven't prayed about it. For Isaiah 3 verses 11 says, "Thou woe to the wicked, for it shall be ill with them." What if I say I'm born again? Your future will be alright. What if I say I want to be a child of God? Your future will be alright. Okay, thank you, ma. God bless you, ma.